Peep the new stickers. Peep the new stickers. Also, peep what we are going to be doing today. If the tools are there. Got a vrsf charge pipe. Now, I've ordered this so long time, like literally so long ago. But, I don't know. I was originally going to pay someone for it. I was like, but I'm like, wait. The reason why I bought this car was to build it up by myself. The only two things that have been installed, technical wise, like other than like the crystal start stop button right here, it's like been me. My carbon fiber shark fin, my center cap's been me. That's nothing really technical. So today is a shot at something technical. So yeah. So I'm just waiting on bro to pull up on me. And then we're gonna go to his house. I need to step my tool game up though. Like I'm telling you, if y'all want to work on cars, y'all need basic tools. So I'm gonna put my intake cover back on if I can, because it's not good to leave without it, because all that dirt can get into the little filter thingy. Alright, so we got this at the homie's house. Now we just got to do a tool check, because we can't install something without the proper tools. So I'm just gonna check a lot of damn YouTube videos for accounted parts or tools that we're gonna need. So yeah. Oh, I've never seen my car like this. Also, my car's never been in the garage too. The heck? God damn, this thing's hot. Woo! Then the YouTube videos, they said like start with the bottom first and then the top should be easier. But yeah, those should be a T25, but that's when it's already off. A little go-kart looking thingy. We rolling under my car. Y'all can see the inlet pipe.
Piece off there from that side of the car.
I break it off? No, nigga.
You locked it again. It's right there. You can see it's jiggling from this side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where it went? Where it went? Where it went?
Still stuck in there.
No. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Finally.
It's still stuck in that.
All right, got you guys. All right, this is where it's about to be fast. All right.
Hopefully.
Whew. Okay.
It's not pain in the ass this time.
There we go. Okay.
That's one.
Okay. Bitch. All right, I still have to hold it apparently.
But you got a flat. You just push one down and then stick the flathead through there, so you can hold it. Damn.
I got long hands. I got long hands. All right.
There you go. And you can hold it and you should start trying to see if you can take the other one apart.
Man, stay there, bitch. Oh, this water is so weird, bro.
Oh, it's those type of fucking bracket.
Yeah. You bitch ass nigga, I need to. Okay, there we go. C-clamp done. All right.
Oh, so you do grab on it.
Yeah. So, I don't know how many minutes later, but now we gotta remove. Oh, ooh, that hurt. But we gotta remove some hose clamps. I think we gotta. Woo! Okay, guys. Yeah, definitely leave your car just stationary for a couple days, cause it's hurt. So we gotta unplug this thing right here. Fuck. And there's ridges, so we just gotta squeeze down. Hold on. Whew. Hopefully I don't burn myself. All right, so. Fuck.
Oh,
They snap.
Damn, man. You just snapped the fuck out of it, dog.
Whew. Damn. Maybe some zip ties could help.
Yeah, zip ties are definitely gonna work.
I don't want to fuck it up.
We just have to fucking take it out now without breaking a piece off.
Did I snap the other one? I definitely snapped the other one.
You know what I'm saying? That's the only one that's close to the fucking video.
Bro, that's crazy. Hold on. I fucking snapped my T-map, or no, the plug, the hose
What the fuck? He says he's squishing, it comes up. Bitch, I'm squishing, the shit don't come out.
Yeah, I think I just had the wrong tension.
Melt.
Alright, so.
I don't fuck my finger up now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to move this out of the way so you can actually see better. Ow, you fucker.
Yeah, I know. Don't want to drop that bitch in there.
Oh, wow. Why couldn't it be like that in the fucking bottom, huh?
That's what I'm saying.
Fucking piece of shit. The bottom always has to be a pain in the ass. But the top of the car can be the easiest shit ever.
Yeah.
You scared the fuck
No,
bro.
that's good. As long as this hardware doesn't break. Yup. See how damn easy it is, bro. I swear to God. Okay. We didn't f up anything on the bottom. We effed up something on the top. This.
The most important of the car, the top of the car.
And if something leaks, I'm so done. We got the. I think this is a T-map sensor. I don't know. So we're gonna take this out now. So we got this off.
Okay, listen from the bottom.
Yeah, just needs you to loosen it from the bottom. My bad.
Yeah, I was gonna go like a football. Down, sir.
Hey. So yeah.
Sheesh.
Hey, I see you down there.
What's up, buddy?
All right, so yeah.
Alright, let's see how I can get my fat short hands in this bitch.
Wait, where is that at?
Is in this pipe right here?
Yeah.
That's fine. Just let me know.
I just need to be able to see clear. Guys, so we got the stock charge pipe out now. Woo! I'm telling y'all, this was not no hoe.
Metal titanium piece of shit.
Bro, this was not no hoe to get out, bro.
Well, that bitch was a pain in the fucking ass.
Alright, now we know to watch videos on how to put this stuff. So I'm just taking out the O-rings from the stock charge pipe.
And I'm putting the sensor control in this shit.
Yeah, and it's putting the sensor control stuff in there. Match up the O-rings. I'm not sure if it matters, but just match up the O-rings to be safe.
I'm gonna put it too tight because I know this is aluminum and I don't want it to crack because I don't know how sensitive this metal can be.
Alright, so
It's not easy. We do the bottom one, the one that's on my side first.
most people do.
Because I gotta have to push.
Did
down
you just
it.
vape under my car?
Hell yeah.
Bro, that shit scared the hell out of me. I thought my car was smoking. What do you want to do, like them simultaneously? I'm like, you scaring me, bro. You scaring me. Chill out.
Yeah, I was thinking like putting this one in because remember how we had the issue to try to take the whole one out.
Got you. That
So I
means
feel like putting the one that goes here is gonna be a pain in the ass unless if you're gonna try to feed it to me from the top.
that means we gotta assemble the bottom one too.
I feel like the bottom would be more easy to see because that's way more longer though to work with it.
My pause.
The other one is short. See, now you can say pause.
There's a clamp right there. Right there. When you're installing it, the points should go to the car. It's after the shit's installed though. Or you want me to do like that?
Yeah, install that fucking shit. I ain't messing with that fucking piece of shit bracket.
Damn.
Piece of shit bracket, dog.
Oh, where the hell am I at? I don't know how it. I don't think you have to. I think you have to push it all the way in and then.
So you have to push it. You have to feed it to me.
Yeah.
Alright, so you gotta feed it.
With the one on top?
I don't know, cause the one on top is not even on it right now. I'm about to just present it to it to see if it works.
Oh yeah, hold on. You have to put the other hose clamp on. The metal piece that's on the grommet. You gotta put it on too.
My bad.
You good? You good?
Are they all the same side, right?
Shit, I hope so. That's not an answer, but shit, I still hope so. So, I'm having trouble with. I'm having trouble with getting the charge pipe to fully set in. So I just need help of like how to fully set it in. Cause I put the clamp on, I tried to put it with the clamp out. It doesn't seem to be setting. So Guys, we are literally at the last part of the video. We've been here for like 6 hours, bro. We just been having three. Yeah, so a lot of hours. We're just having fitment issues.
Yeah, 7 seconds.
Yeah,
3
so
hours, 4 hours.
only thing left to do is just get that to match up, and then we're literally done.
Fucking straight.
All right, guys, we got this thing on. It was being a let me not say the word on YouTube, but yeah, honestly, no. But yeah, it's honestly just user error. Like, honestly, just put like a whole bunch of grease or like WD-40. Honestly, just grease. A lot of people online were just saying like it was fitment issues suck. Honestly, just put like on the throttle body itself, just put grease, and on this put grease.
Yeah.
And then I recommend just watching. I'll show you the grease.
It's waterproof. You can use it for ATV, boats, mostly boats. So you have to go to a boat section in order to find it.
But I recommend watching.
And not a lot, just a little bit.
Yeah, this all.
Tip of your finger.
Watch Matwire's video on it if you have a N20, because he was probably the most clear about it until this part came up, because I really didn't know what the hell to do. But just watch Matwire's video. There should be some audible clicking down there going on, and then right there you'll see it. But yeah, pretty much we're done. All right, y'all can't see me because I'm black, but everything is working out pretty well. They started the car and everything. It didn't show up any codes on my car or anything, but let me just show you how beautiful my engine bay looks now, guys. So I got the cover for the CTS intake on, inlet pipe, charge pipe. Just making sure it's on there. But yeah, below, I haven't checked that out. This is just so beautiful to see. And I already got the branding on the side of my car. vrsf, if you want to sponsor me. Definitely won't be the only BMW I'm buying. I want an M3 CS or an M5 CS, bro. I swear to God. That's like, M5 CS is like the car I have to get before I die. I don't know how rich I'm gonna get to be able to afford that, but I'm gonna get it. But Brody's over there. We're finna go for a test drive. Finna test this slight and then go harder just to make sure. Okay, guys, so the car is running fine. I went for a test drive and everything. None of this stuff will really make a difference unless the car is tuned. I just have to get this fuel pump crap figured out. Then I'll be able to put my catalyst downpipe on, and then the day I get my catalyst downpipe done, I'm going to buy the tune, because all of this untuned stuff on my car ain't really good for it. So yeah, and I'm gonna get it done at the end of this week. So hella things coming.